In this video we will see how we can use ChatGPT 4.0 for free, so we will discuss two methods by which you can use ChatGPT for free. In first method, if you can use limited functions of ChatGPT but you can use it unlimited times. In second method, you can use all features of ChatGPT like uploading images and other stuff and also use it unlimited times. In first method, you can only use text version for free. Second method may not work for everyone, but first method will work for everyone. In first method, if you use ChatGPT and see your limited have exceed and you can use ChatGPT after some time, then you can to open incognito mode by clicking on three dots on top right corner of Chrome browser or any other browser and then click on start incognito mode and then go to website chatgpt.com. Then don't log into your account, just open ChatGPT and use it. When they prompt you to sign in, click on stay signed out and use ChatGPT for unlimited time. Using ChatGPT 4, you can create animations with use of free software like Blender and you can then earn money, or you can go viral on social media by creating these animations with ChatGPT easily. With ChatGPT 4 you can also create apps and earn money without coding knowledge. I myself have created app with ChatGPT and Android Studio, which is a free app by Google, and using these two I have created app and uploaded in Play Store. You can also create these type of apps. You just need to copy-paste code generated by ChatGPT and your app get created, and by using ChatGPT 4 you can create websites without coding knowledge and earn money. I also have created websites with ChatGPT but I haven't uploaded its tutorial on YouTube. If someone of you is interested in learning to create website and earn money, then comment below and I will create that tutorial video soon. And by using ChatGPT you can do automation in your work and save your time. And in second method, you can use Copilot by Microsoft, which is free and which is equipped with ChatGPT 4 and you can use it for free. You can use it both on mobile phone as well as PC. For PC version, open Internet Explorer and go to Copilot website, then you can start using it for free without signing in, and you can even use upload feature for free. You can upload photos like UI design of some app and then ask ChatGPT to design same app UI for your app and ChatGPT will design same app for you for free. You can even upload some website photo and ask ChatGPT to design similar looking website for you. ChatGPT will design that website for you. And if you want to earn money by creating apps with ChatGPT, then you can see video tutorial in this channel where I have created app with ChatGPT and then uploaded it on Play Store. You can find that video URL by doing comment. Also, subscribe to channel for more such videos, and if you find this video helpful, press like button. Thanks for watching full video.